Okay, so now Alan James Jeffrey, he enters this order in 2 pages. Imagine, one page was not enough. So the order takes 2 pages. Okay, hereby stricken. Plaintiff having failed to appear and the court denying plaintiff's I don't know, request for having via telephone pursuant to Supreme Court Rule 185 cannot up the court's discretion. You see, I asked to be on the phone with whom? With Judge Barron, according to Supreme Court Rule 185. I bet you they don't know about it. So I said, I will be by the phone, available on this motion. And I don't need to be available. You have all the pleadings. You have the whole file. Motion for the entry of default. I prove to you. It's all corrupt, fraudulent. Counter petition is defective. Violation of due process. It was amended by another defective. Amended counter petition. No notice. No proof of service to the counter petition. No proof of service. No notice to the amended counter petition. So I don't need to appeal. What do you want me to do? Here, everything I want to say on papers. What do you want my face for? You love my face? You could have told me I'd send you a picture. What do you want me there for? So I asked for this hearing to be by phone. So according to the court's discretion, no, that's not discretion. No. Well, I don't need to be there. Did not say if I don't appear, then they're going to strike my... Judge Barron did not say that. So what did Alan come from? You know, they played harlots. Welcome to the USA. How would you trust yourself? You go to the USA with this kind of corrupted government. Now tell me. You're taking your chances. You know, when you go to the USA, your blood is on your hands. When you go to the USA, this kind of courts. You know? 2. The plaintiff's counter, I don't know, stricken. Response to is found to be in default. In default on defendant's counter petition. On defendant's counter petition for the solution. So now there's no amended. So on counter petition, I don't know what's in here. Another thing, counter petition twice for the solution. So I don't know what's going on exactly, but hold on. You see worse than this. It's coming. I don't know how to read this one. On as amended, on the counter petition as amended to reflect I can't read this handwriting anyhow. As a plaintiff having failed to file a response to other pleadings to said counter petition as amended on the plaintiff terms. I don't know what's this one. I did not file. Here's in front of you. How would I file if you don't put me on notice? This is due process of the lawyer. Alan? The felon Alan. Hello, felon Alan. Did you read? You idiots. You just signed. You know, judges, they don't read. Most of the judges, whatever the attorney writes, they will close eyes. They sign. Matter set for entry of default proofs and default judgment for dissolution of marriage on December 17, 2002 at 9 a.m. Copy of this order shall be served on plaintiff. So it does not matter what I say. It does not matter what I file. The order is there. The order is there. The order is there. Presidente Chavez, doesn't matter that application I put. How many pages of application? Doesn't matter. Even no court. You didn't even take me to court. I wanted to go, per favor, Presidente Chavez, per favor. I wanted to go. I asked, I said, per favor, I want to go to court. Explain things to the judge. Haven't seen the judge. My case. Political asylum. President Chavez. Per favor, find out what happened. So now, this is the order. Suspente. In violation of the Constitution of the United States. In violation of everything called law. In violation of all the moral things. Treason to the Constitution of the United States by the felon Allen. Well, he has position in the Supreme Court of Illinois. So if the case goes there, does not matter who's going to take it. He's there. Denied. And that's what happened. And I took the case to the Supreme Court of Illinois. I had an attorney. A friend of mine. He did me a favor. He put his name on the petition. Tried to happen. He wanted justice for me. He went over there. Appeal as of right. They said, you have no right. You have no left. You have nothing. There's nothing left for you. Denied. One word. Denied. Alan was there. The brothers are there. They give orders. You know? They vacate that order. I've been entitled for damages. Me and my children. What we went through. But for me, the economic sanctions against me. They are robbing of what I have. You think they will give me something? They robbed me of my back injury compensation. They robbed me. Welcome to the USA. There's one more thing and very important in this case. You see, I read it. But there's something. Now the people know, those who know about writing an order in courts. The courts must show that it has jurisdiction. It has the authority to make the order. And it must write on the order that it has jurisdiction. Must write on the order that the court has jurisdiction. That's when they say, courts hereby being fully advised in the premises, and they must say, and having jurisdiction. Must say that has jurisdiction. And hereby it's ordered that. It does not say it has jurisdiction. You see, I wrote it here. You see? It does not say that it has jurisdiction. Read it. Does it say it has jurisdiction? You see my handwriting, I put it? So the court had no jurisdiction. Even if they have jurisdiction and they don't write they have jurisdiction, they don't have jurisdiction. But they don't have jurisdiction anyhow. Do they understand the law? Those idiots? Black widows? Jackasses of the law? Supreme Court of Illinois? Supreme Court of the United States? Third District Appellate Court? Do they know the law? You tell me.